Subscribe to my YouTube channel Lovely Mohua and hit the bell icon to see my latest videos first.
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. With a bang bang. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl. With a bang bang.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I hit the dance floor, hit the dance floor. I got all I need.
So today I am doing a collaboration with Glamego, India's #1 beauty subscription box. I will unbox the January month's beauty subscription box. Glamego box is the best subscription box in India. They provide exclusive curated beauty and personal care products every day. You will get 4 products with every monthly subscription at just rupees 399, inclusive of free shipping. If you are looking for organic and newly launched products and you don't want to spend extra bucks on new products, Glamego box is exclusively curated for you. The products are very good at quality and at very discount prices, almost 3 times off their price. The packaging is very good and so products arrive at you safely without damage. If you want, you can go ahead and buy such products. For 1 month, you have to pay 399. For 3 months, you have to pay 329. For 6 months, you have to pay 299. For 12 months, you have to pay 289. And the shipping charges are also included. So if you are interested, then you can also go and buy it. I can say you won't regret. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. So in today's video I'm going to share with you an unboxing video plus my first impression about it. So are you guys ready? Dan, da, Glamego box. I'm very much happy that finally I got my hands on this buddy, and I'm very much happy for them as well because they have become India's #1 beauty subscription box. So hey, congratulations. So on that note, I'm going to start this unboxing. Let's just get started. I've already seen all those products and I'm very much excited, man. So yeah, this is how it opens up, thanks to my nails. And here is the box. And let's just open it up and just look at the box first. This is so cute. Like, look at the, packaging. It's just so cute. I'm very much excited. Oh, so it opens up from here, and here you have the box, and it says it's India's #1 beauty subscription box. Yay! Congratulations. Obviously it has to be because Glamego box offers really great products within such an inexpensive amount, because I have seen all the products. It has to be #1 beauty subscription because I have seen all the products, and the MRP of those products, can't even imagine. I'm totally amazed how expensive these products are, and you're getting within such an expensive rate. Oh my god, like seriously. First, when you open the box, you get this card which says India's #1 subscription box. Next, we have 4 products here. First is this. So it's a vital nourishment cream from Natural Bath and Body. It has grapefruit and vitamin C. It's lighter, whiter, brighter fix. Though I don't believe in whiter fix because I feel that every person is happy with their own skin color. It has coconut oil, coconut milk, glycerin, almond oil, grapefruit oil, shea butter. I think it's already good for your skin. It says Vital Nourishment Cream from Natural, I guess. So this is how it looks. Let's just smell it first. Oh, it has seal. I didn't open it yet, so yeah. Wow, it has really nice and like fruity smell, and it is not very much strong like slap on your face. It's not that strong. It is very light smell as well as fruity smell, so I love it. And you know, I am not that big fan of moisturizer, but I hope this will win my heart. So yeah, that's what the first thing. Let me just tell you how to use it. Wash and cleanse your face, pat dry, scoop out to apply on face, and massage it in circular motion for 1 to 2 minutes for penetration. Use as often as required. And I feel that it is not that thick. Let me just try it. Let me just see. Let me just show you guys here. No, OMG, I am definitely going to use it. It is not the thick moisturizer which I hate. Like, I cannot apply thick moisturizer. Oh my god, the smell. I love the smell. And I love how light it is. Oh my gosh, I'm going to use it. I'm going to use it. And it's a light moisturizer, so it's yay for me because I'm going to use it and I can use it. I don't like thick moisturizers anyway, and it is not thick, and I'm happy. Second thing I have here, the Bio Bloom Bath Care Handmade Soap. This is how the soap looks.
So it's a handmade soap by Bio Bloom. It has neem, aloe vera gel, basil, and it also has coconut oil, palm oil, aloe vera oil, neem oil, basil oil. I think it will give an amazing result.
Obviously, I did not open it. This kind of soaps are so good and smell so good. Oh my god, it's so refreshing smell. Oh my god, I am very much excited. And I think I'm going to use the soap very soon. That's what I got. The MRP is not written though. The next product I have this.
So it's a skincare face oil from Bio Bloom, age defining and radiance booster. This 100% natural face oil enhances skin radiance and aids in skin tightening, lightening and rejuvenation. It is suitable for all skin types and age groups. This oil also diminishes fine lines and wrinkles. It has carrot seed oil, rosehip oil, geranium oil, lemon oil, vitamin E. So it's very good for your skin. And to use it, you can depress 3 to 4 drops onto your fingertips. Rub fingertips tightly together and gently press oil onto your cheeks, forehead and then chin in a circular motion. Leave on for at least 30 minutes. Leave on overnight for best results.
Bio Bloom again, skincare face oil, age defining radiance booster, and 100% natural it says, and it has they have given 15 ml of product, and the price is 1499, and I'm paying how much? 399 for this box, and you are getting a product which is already crossed the price. I'm totally amazed. Let's just open it up. Ooh, so it looks like those Instagrammy, if you are in Instagram, you might be knowing about it, that a lot of people already doing makeup, and they are dropping products on their face like so it looks like that kind of bottle, and it is actually. So it has a dropper. Let me just smell it. So nice smell. Oh my god, it feels like ऐसे जड़ी बूटियाँ लाके उसको पीस के उससे ये oil निकाली गई है. Oh my god, I just love it. And this is how the bottle looks like. I think me and my sister going to love it, because my sister is a very much big fan of skincare, and I am very much excited for that. Let's see how she will react and all. I am very much sure that she will be very much happy. So yeah, that's that. Now let's just move on to the next product. Guys, I am very much excited for this product because I am a lipstick lover. Though it is not lipstick, it's a gloss product, but it's a lip product, and I'm very much interested about any kind of lip product, and I'm a lip product lover or lipstick lover. So the next product I have here is a lip gloss. Brand is Voste. So this is how the packaging looks. So let's just open it. And here is the shade. Isn't it beautiful?
So this lip gloss is from Voste. Formulated in Italy, it gives smooth and creamy application. Plumping and hydrating lips, can be also used over lipstick, mineral oil free, dermatologically tested, long lasting up to 6 hours, color does not bleed on lips, nano ingredients and lact free.
And the price of it is $599, which is 600. Again, you got an expensive product. Oh my god. And let me just tell you the shade number because it is very beautiful, like the lip shade, and the color is Mercier Rouge. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. The best part of this lipstick is you can build up the color as you want. Like first when you apply it, you will get sheer color, and slowly you can build up the color. You have to apply it for 2 to 3 times to get this much pigmentation, and you can obviously build up the color if you want. Let me just apply it. I just applied it already. I am just in love with it. Oh my gosh, like after an ages, I always say that I am a matte lipstick lover, but sometimes to jazz the look up, I can wear gloss lipstick, and this kind of gloss also looks good on me, as well as it will look good on everyone out there. So I am very much happy with this product. I totally forgot to share, and I actually did not see the back of it, and I totally forgot to share the MRP actually, and I noticed that all the MRPs are written here. And the Bio Bloom oil is for 1499. The Voste lip gloss is $599. The Natural Bath and Body Nourishment cream is for $220. So here is the MRP. I hope you guys can see. So that's all for today's video. I am very much grateful and thankful to Glamego Box for sharing such expensive product within such inexpensive amount. Like this box is for $399, and you are giving such amazing plus expensive product. I am and we all, I guess, very grateful for that. So you have just become India's #1 beauty subscription, but I hope that someday you will become the world's #1 beauty subscription box, and hopefully that day will come soon. And whatever I did was not a review, it was just my first impression on it. And this is the lipstick I'm wearing, you guys have already told you. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what you have to do. You have to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it, and I shall see you super soon. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.